Once there was a businessman. He wanted to open a factory and was heading towards a village to find land for it. Before reaching the village, he encountered a river. To cross the river, he had two options: either take a long detour by car or board the boat sailing across the river to reach the village. He chose the second option to save time. He asked the boatman some questions while crossing. He asked, "Do you know me?" The boatman replied, "No, sir." Surprised, the businessman said, "Don't you know me? My photo is printed in newspapers every day. I'm a very big businessman in this country. Don't you read newspapers?" The boatman replied, "No, sir. I don't know how to read or write." The businessman chuckled and said, "Don't you know how to read or write?" Then he asked, "Do you know why I'm going to this village? Because I want to open a very big mineral water factory here. Do you know what mineral water is?" The boatman replied, "No, sir." The businessman explained, "Mineral water means water packed in bottles that gets sold in shops and cities. Haven't you ever seen bottles of such water being sold in cities?" The boatman replied, "No, sir, I've never been to a city, never even left this village." The businessman laughed, saying, "How are you also a human being? Your life seems useless. You've never seen a city." Meanwhile, as the boat sailed, it hit a rock, causing a hole, and the boat started to fill with water. Both the boatman and the businessman became worried. The boatman said to the businessman, "Sir, you know how to swim, right?" The businessman replied, "No, I don't know how to swim. Are we going to drown? Will we die?" Worried, he said, "Save me, and I'll give you anything you ask for, but save my life." The boatman said, "There's nothing to fear, sir. I can swim, and I also know how to save drowning people." At that moment, the businessman realized his mistake. He felt that one should never consider anyone weak. Every person has their own importance. Who knows who might come to our aid on the path to success?